Greetings from Singapore. My name is Kolangod Ramanathan. I'm a cardiac intensivist at the National University Heart Center. At the outset, wishing you all a happy new year. And when we talk about 2024, the first ELSO meeting that comes up is the Swaacelso meeting in Kuwait from the 15th to the 17th of February 2024. I hope to see you all there. And when I talk about Kuwait, of course, I cannot miss the Kuwaiti makbous. I cannot forget Kuwaiti spices. Clearly, the organizers of this conference have added enough spices to this academic fiesta to make it grand. Great talks, great speakers, great workshops, great discussions. And I'm sure you don't want to miss this. I'll be a part of the advanced simulation workshop on the 14th of February 2024. I hope to meet you all there, and we'll be discussing some of the practical points by the bedside. Say, what do you do with that patient who becomes persistently acidotic despite initiating veno-arterial ECMO? Or what do you do to that patient who gets persistently hypoxemic despite initiating veno-venous ECMO? And lots of similar practical problems. Come join us. We will discuss, debate, deliberate, and see how we deal with these problems in a simulated environment. I'll also be there for a few talks for the conference. Of course, I hope to meet you all there. Mark the dates, 12 to 14 February 2024 for the pre-conference workshop, and 15 to 17 February 2024 for the conference. Shukran Waid.